Okay, take 3 na tayo kasi ewan ko bakit hindi na si save. We'll try the peelers and the banana and the mango. Okay? Oh, ano, hindi. We'll try first the banana. Okay, ito na yung banana. Oh, yeah.
This is the banana. Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy. Good. Okay, next we will try the mango peelers. Okay. One,
Right here. I'm so late. Yeah, so late.
Nakita ko to sa TikTok. This is the viral peelers candy. Ito yung binabalatan mo. Nakita ko to sa sa may dollar store. Tapos around $4 or $5 each pack yata. And meron tong grapes na flavor kaso wala dun, hindi available. Ito lang yung mango tsaka yung banana.
Tapos na ako.
Okay. Good. Which one do you like? The mango or the banana?
Mango.
Ikaw, Paul.
Oh.
Both? Maghahanap ako ng grapes na flavor para matry namin. Good.
Sweet. I love it.
I like mango better than the banana. Good or bad? Kokol. Good. Bye.